Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence, HI, is a knowledge-intensive company in advanced and complex mathematical modeling. Its main research focuses on the integration of traditional artificial intelligence, mainly supported by artificial neural nets, ANN, and the machine learning algorithms, based on support vector machines, SVM, with the large-scale mathematical programming principles. This is aimed at producing artificial brains, that is digital transformation driven by autonomous and intelligent algorithms in real time, in accordance with the era of Industry 4.0. HI presents the products offered in its Watson's Gold 100 Partner Business Plan organized with IBM, SYNNEX and Peer-to-Peer Global. HI operates as a knowledge factory in highly complex mathematical modeling. Its main interest is the monetization of its intellectual property, making win-win commercial alliances. For this reason, one of HI's main interests is to enter into joint ventures with IBM Business Partners to go to market. The solutions offered by HI can support the growth of startups, spin-offs or consolidated companies, to offer solutions to their end users, as part of the digital transformation of companies. Therefore, part of this alliance is P2P Global to extend HI's services globally. HI Enterprises-Wide Optimization Systems. HI IBM TD SYNNEX. Solutions are integrated into specialized enterprise-wide optimization systems, covering multiple industrial and socio-economic sectors. Like Herbert Simon, Hypothalamus AI believes that the computer-based mathematical modeling is the greatest invention of all times. Thank you for your attention.